may something sa past. Okay? Okay. Thank you so much for staying. Ito, February 2, 2003, magbabalikan pa ba kami nitong last ex ko? Wow, daming last. Sino kaya yung sa last ex? Okay, February 2. Magbabalikan pa ba kami? Meron pa ba kayong communication? The card saying the sun. Oh, you're lucky because the sun is coming out. You know the sun mean this is very powerful. The sun mean this is the enlightenment of all. You have the positive card, and you're already freedom and access, and you're very fun. You know, you're very fun human. You have a good, strong optimism, and you have a vitality and life. So you can express yourself